Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's March 6th. Kind of light day today, so we'll kind of go through this pretty quickly so you can get on with your day. The only item really that it's really not important news, but it just kind of gives us some insight as to where things are moving, and that is factory orders for the month of January. So we had 1.3% increase in factory orders, and forecast is supposed to be at 1.2% for January, came in expectations at 1.2%. So factors are still kind of moving along here, which kind of gives us forecasts of what the demand is. If it goes down, obviously there's not a lot of demand out there, so it kind of helps us gauge as to where things are at with the economy, where things are moving and stuff. Let's take a look at the headline news. Stock market's down. It's basically taking its cue. We still haven't seen details of the Trump plan. The investors are getting kind of antsy, and right now they're stretched. The profit, the valuations are pretty stretched on a lot of these stocks out there. So right now you're starting to see a little bit of a sell-off here as for profit-taking purposes, and kind of trying to evaluate where evaluation should be fall in line. Where right now it seems like they're kind of more of an overbought position for the most part here. Here's the bond market. We got very fortunate on Friday. We did close above or just at the line here, the second floor here, because if we close 2 days in a row, it could give us a lot more further room to drop further, which would thus increase interest rates. So we had a nice improvement in the day on Friday. So thank goodness we were able to close just above this floor here. Today we started the day up, and now we're down, or actually about the same level, and now we're right down below here. We're down about 7 basis points, not quite yet enough for a price for the worst, but later in the day we'll probably get some support here, a little help from the Fed. They're going to be purchasing about $1.9 billion worth of mortgage-backed securities right around 10 o'clock. I'm sorry, by 11 o'clock actually, West Coast time, Pacific Standard Time, or 2 o'clock East Coast, when they'll be looking to purchase those. So we might get a little support here, bring above there, but later this week we do got some additional supply that they'll be selling later in the week, and that could create some pressures on the bond market later in the week. So just be a little cautious. The big stuff for this week will be jobs numbers coming out later this week. So Wednesday we'll have ADP, weekly jobs coming on Thursday, and of course the Bureau of Labor Statistics will release their jobs numbers on Friday. So those will be the big market movers this week here in those terms. And then of course next week we got the FOMC, so they'll be kind of gearing up and watching to see what data comes out before the FOMC meets, because right now, before just a few weeks ago, it was basically no chance of them raising rates. Now it's almost priced in that they're going to be raising rates in March. So alright folks, so that kind of closes it today, but if you guys want to get more data or more information throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can follow me at Mike Bjork here. And I do post throughout the day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day yourselves, and we'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.